You want to feed the animals in your zoo and you're wondering how to do that. If you look right here on my phone screen, I have a lot of animals in my zoo, and how I'm feeding them or how I'll be buying more animals and feeding them is what I'm showing you in this video. You can see right here, the first one at the top, this one is what is the name of this my animal? This is Flamingo. My Flamingo is in level 7 right now. So I bought Flamingo here and I've been feeding it until it has grown to level 7. And now right here I have parrots. I bought parrot and I have been feeding it until it is in level 8. And if I want, I can feed it more and it will keep growing. And so many other animals right here. So how do you buy animals and feed them in your zoo? Okay, so the moment you tap on your phone screen, you will see that there will be so many so many plots of land available for you to buy an animal. You can click on each of the plots of land and now you see the available animals you can buy. Now, any animal you want to buy, there are so many animals. Many of them are very affordable. Many of them are very expensive. For example, you buy lion, 2.9 million zoo feed. Okay. Yeah. So if you want to buy lion, you have to spend this much. But the beautiful thing is this. It is not only that some animals are expensive or cheap. They help you to generate more tokens when they are eating. When you feed your animals, as your animals are eating well, they earn you money. Is that not it? Yeah, that's why you're feeding them. So it's actually a business here. So what now happens is, if you want the animal to eat well, you keep feeding them. So when you click on that plus sign, you buy anyone you like by simply clicking on it, and that amount of feed that is shown here. For instance, right now you see beside crocodile, this is crocodile, and if I want to buy crocodile, you see where they wrote buy animal. Beside it, it is written 2,210 zoo feed. Okay, so that is what it will cost me. And this cost of 2,200 will be debited from this my balance right here. You get? So anything you're buying, it will be debited from your balance. So you have to always increase your balance here to be able to buy animals to fill up those spaces, and then you keep upgrading the animal. You upgrade the animal by clicking on each of the one you have bought. For example, look at parrots right here. This parrot right now, I can make it grow further, or to even have children, or to grow its tree and grow its wing and grow its house, or build more people around it by simply tapping on it and increasing its level. So right now that it is in level 8, I can increase it to level 9 if I am willing to spend 6,700 zoo feed to feed it more. If you don't feed it, if you don't spend on it, it will be there like one kodan looking at you, you get? So you have to actually spend and feed it. So how do you now get the feed you're buying them with and feeding them? If you want to feed them properly, you have to increase here, because it is only what's here that you can use and feed them. So what you simply do to increase this is to click on this place they wrote task. See here, it is written task. These are the things you must do, the tasks you'll perform to be able to feed your animals, because each task has a certain amount of feed that will be added to your balance up here when you perform it. For instance, if you solve today's rebels of the day, the rebels of today, if you solve it, 1,000 zoo feed will be added to your balance up here. Okay, now observe my balance. Let me solve the rebels of the day so that you see that it will actually increase. Meanwhile, if you have not joined Zoo, you have to do that right now by clicking on the link I pinned in the comment section of this video. Zoo just started in this week, so join right now. Okay, the rebels of the day, I always upload it in our Telegram channel, and then the link to my Telegram channel is in the bio. Zoo Rebels of today, to claim your 1,000 tokens, you simply open Zoo and click on Rebels of the day. The moment you click on it, you input the correct answer. Remember, if you write it how it is not written, you will not get your zoo feed. Okay, now the rebels of today is ORANGUTAN. What's that though? Now you click on check answer. If it is not correct, it will not be checked. So let's find out. Yeah, now take your prize. So this is how you do that. And you see, right now that I just solved the rebels of the day, my balance has increased to 3,000 to 2,300 zoo feed. So with this 2,300 zoo feed, I can come to here or just anywhere there is plus that I want to buy more animals. So let me now buy fox. This is what I gain if I buy fox. If I buy fox, that means plus 500 per hour will be added to my balance up here, but I'm going to spend up to 1,305 zoo feed. So let me buy it. Buy fox. Yeah, I just bought it. You can see that place I click on plus, you can see that fox is now here. You see it, right? And now it will be generating me more money, which will be going here as feed tokens. You see, this is actually how you feed your animals, how you buy your animal and feed them in zoo tokens. Remember to smash the thumbs up and be back for new updates.